water else it's going to get hot and blow up. So I'm not going to stick on anymore.